Have you ever blown bubbles and wondered why they're always round? It's not magic. It is pretty cool science. Let's explore the secret world of bubbles together. Bubbles are beautiful, but don't last long. They float in the air, shimmering with rainbow colors before they pop. But why are they always round? It might seem simple, but there's a big reason behind it. We're going to uncover the hidden forces that make bubbles so perfect. The main star of our bubble show is something called surface tension. It's like an invisible skin that wraps around the bubble. This skin is always trying to make itself as small as possible. Imagine a tiny rubber sheet that is always pulling inwards from all sides. That's what surface tension does. Here is a fun experiment you can try at home. Put a drop of water on a waxy surface, like wax paper. See how it forms a little bead? That's surface tension in action. Now, why are bubbles always round? It's because a sphere is a shape with the smallest surface for the amount of air inside. The universe likes to be lazy, and a sphere is the easiest shape for a bubble to make. If you try to make a bubble not round, it will always try to go back to being a sphere. When bubbles meet each other, they do something really neat. They form angles of 120 degrees where they touch. This is because they're still trying to use the least amount of surface possible. When lots of bubbles come together, they make hexagon shapes. It's like they're working together to save energy. There are other things that affect bubbles too, like air pressure and how much water is in the air. These can make bubbles last longer or pop faster. Speaking of popping, have you ever wondered why bubbles make that satisfying sound when they burst? It's because the surface tension snaps back really quickly when the bubble pops. Scientists use what they learned from bubbles to make things like better soaps and even ways to deliver medicine in our bodies. Isn't that amazing? Bubbles are more than just fun toys. They're little science lessons floating in the air. What everyday stuff are you curious about? Science is everywhere. Remember, next time you blow bubbles, you're not just playing, you're doing science. Keep exploring and asking questions about the world around you. Who knows what amazing things you might discover? See you next time. Who knows what amazing things you might discover? See you next time.